The athletes start in the staggered positions and race in separate lanes for the entire course. The boys getting ready for the semi-final one. Here we start. Good quick start we have seen by the athletes. The lead continues till the bend at the back straight by lane number 8558 Gajendra Singh from Rajasthan. Now at the bend, the difference can be happened, but still the lead continues with lane number 8 Gajendra Singh. And now from lane number 6, 142 bib number Piyush Raj takes the lead. The boy from Bihar. Still the lead continues with him. Fantastic from lane 6. Outstanding performance. Followed by the bib number 673, Mohammad Shoaib Tyagi, the boy from Uttar Pradesh. So in the semi-final one, the result stands on the name of Piyush Raj, the boy from Bihar, clocking 48.10 seconds, taking the top position. Munna Kumar from Assam, clocking 48.47, taking second place. And Gajendra Singh from Rajasthan, clocking 48.81 seconds, taking the third place in the semi-final one. Arnav Khernar from Maharashtra, Jatin Balian from Delhi, Saket Mins from Jharkhand, Harmandeep Singh from Punjab. He has starts the race. Lane number 8, Vishwajit Singh from Bihar, taking the lead at the back straight. Now the domination from lane 7. But still, lane number 8 contestant leads. Coming on to the bend. Still the lead continues with lane 7. Here comes the difference at the home straight. From the middle, pushing himself, but again a change comes in lane 2. Fantastic. Good competition in semi-final 2 between the athletes we have witnessed. Entire the standard 400 meters track, the consistency should be maintained. This is what it differentiates the winner from the other athletes. Saket Minj from Jharkhand stays at the top in the semi-final 2, clocking 48.61 seconds. Yugank Chaudia from Uttar Pradesh, clocking 48.64 seconds, very close. And Harmandeep positions. With the remarkable speed, the acceleration in the initial phase for semi-final 3, The boys in the back straight in lane number 8. In lane number 7, the lead continues with 294 bib number Saurav Dahiya. What a gap by his compatriots. He is maintaining the lead, but here at the bend, coming to the home straight, huge difference. The impact we can see. Babib number 495 in lane 4, Bapi Hansda from Odisha. What a beautiful performance by him. That is what Bapi Hansda standing out at the top. The boy from Odisha in lane 4. The last 50 meters is a drastic impact from him. Good change in his strides we have seen. Pushed himself forward, maintained the consistency, and hence he is top in the semi-final 3. So here completes the 3 semi-finals of the boys 400 meters run. From all these 3 heats, top 2 will be picked up. 6 athletes, and the 2 best losers from all the 3 heats. So all of 8 athletes will be taking place in the finals. Bapi Hansda, the result of heat 3, the boy from Odisha clocking 47.68 seconds, stands top. Ovin Ananthan from Tamil Nadu clocking 48.65 seconds, takes the second place, and Dayanand from Karnataka clocking 49.23